In the previous video, I gave you two weird simultaneous equations to solve, where this part here, hang on, where this part here is a decimal, and this part is also a decimal. Now I'm going to give you two fractions to solve. Well, two simultaneous equations where this is a fraction. In fact, it doesn't. Well, in fact, this could be anything. It doesn't really matter. Actually, I'm going to try and solve this when let's just put anything in here. Let's say, I don't know, an elephant. Okay, it could be anything. Okay, let's put something silly in there, like an elephant. Okay, let's try and solve this. So I'm gonna try and, well, I would glance at this. Is it easier to eliminate the x, or is it easier to eliminate the y? I think it's going to be easier to eliminate the y, because if you times this equation here by 4, and then you times this equation by 3, you're going to get 12y. Well, up here you're going to get positive 12y. Down here you're going to get negative 12y, and when you add the two together, they will kill off each other. So let's call this equation 1, equation 2 here. Let's multiply equation 1, multiply everything by 4. So this would be 32x plus 12y, and then you're going to have 4 elephants. Okay, 4 elephants. And then multiply equation 2, multiply everything by hang on, up here it was 4. Multiply everything by 3. So with equation 2 here, multiply everything by 3. So you will have 15x, and then minus 12y, and then, well, multiply everything by 3. So who cares what this is? We're just going to multiply by 3. So hang on, negative 8. Well, it's going to be this multiplied by 3. Well, this gets multiplied to the top, so it will be negative 21 over 8. Okay, so you could write negative 21 over 8, or you could just write or you could put it in here like this. It doesn't really matter. It's the same thing. Okay, so now notice that you've got negative 12y, and then you've got a positive 12y. So if you add the two equations together, so let's call this equation 3 and equation 4. Now let's get equation 3 and add it to equation 4. Okay, so here you're going to get 30. Well, you're going to get 47x, and here the two y's, they're going to kill off each other. So now it boils down to this thing. Hang on. Now it boils down to this thing, and then we've got to get this added to this. Okay, so hang on, let me think. So it's this added to this. So that's the same as me doing this. Hang on, that's the same as me. That's the same as me doing 4 this, and then add this negative number here, minus 21 over 8, and then I can actually take the minus out and put it out here. So it boils down to 4 elephants taking away this fraction. So turn this bit into a fraction. Okay, so turn this into a fraction, so it becomes this 4 elephants over 1, take away 21 over 8. Now times top and bottom here by 8. Okay, so you're going to have 32 elephants over 8. Okay, and then here you're going to have 21 over 8. So this here would be 32 elephants over 8. Well, the two denominators are the same, so let's just merge. Okay, let's just merge. So it will become this minus 21. So it's 32 elephants take away 21 over 8. Okay, now so you've got 47x that equals this whatever this is. Now divide both sides by 47. So so the x equals, well, take this whole thing down, okay, but yeah, hang on, let me clear up this, hang on. So what you do is you take that whole thing down, hang on, so 32 elephants over, well, sorry, 32 elephants take away 21 over 8. So when we were here, we decided to divide both sides by 47. So what you do, you take this thing down, whatever it is, take it down, and then divide it by 47. So now when you divide a fraction, it gets multiplied to the bottom. So this thing here would be, well, it's in effect 47 times 8. So it gets multiplied to the bottom. Okay. So this would be 5 here. This would be 32, 37. So it would be 32 elephants take away 21 over 376. So x equals that. You see, my point is that we don't care what this thing is. We just carry on with the process. The principle would be the same. Now, to find out why, you could now put this into the x here in order to find out why. But because this thing here is so complicated, let's just start again and eliminate the Oh, hang on. So because that hang on, because this, well, normally we would get this, put it back into the x here, okay, and then find out what y would be. But because this thing here is so complicated, it might be easier to start again and eliminate the x here to find out the y. Okay, you could do that. Okay, so hang on, let me copy this down and carry on. So x equals this here. Okay, so let me copy this thing down here. So we've got 8x plus 3y. Hang on, 8x plus 3y equals elephant. Okay, and what was the other one? 5x plus 5x minus 4 over whatever minus 4y equals what? Equals minus 7 over x, 7 over 8. Yeah. So here we've already found out y. We've already found out x. Now we've got to find y. So we've got to eliminate the x. So to eliminate the x, let's times times everything by 5 here. Times everything by 5. Down here, times everything by 8. And then the two x's will be the same. Okay. So let's do this here. So this will be 40x plus 15y equals 5 elephants. Okay, and then down here we're going to multiply everything by 8. So we will have 40x and then minus 32y equals. Now when you multiply this by basically we're going to get this and then times it by 8. When we times it by 8, it gets multiplied to the top. Okay, and then it gets, so basically 7 over 8 times 8, it's going to get multiplied to the top, and then the two 8's will cancel out, leaving you minus 7. Okay, and now just concentrate on, well, now we want to eliminate the x. So let's get this equation and take it away from, well, take away this equation here. So let's call this equation 3 and equation 4. Okay. Now let's get what? Let's get equation 3. Take away equation 4 here. So this would be this. Take away this. They're going to kill off each other. And then you've got positive 15y. Take away negative 32y. So that's like adding. So it will be 47y equals 5 elephants plus 7. Okay, now divide. So y equals 5 elephants plus 7 over 47. So this here would be your y. My point, I know I was being silly by putting an elephant there, but my point is that it doesn't matter if it's a decimal or if it's a fraction. It doesn't matter. The principle will always be the same. Okay, so in this case, x equals this here, and y equals this here. Okay.